Soup formula. Greetings and welcome to the Soup Formula YouTube channel. This channel was inspired by the book Soup Formula. In this video, you will get a quick, clear explanation of what Soup Formula is all about. If you'd like the full story, in the description area of this video you can view the entire Soup Formula book or purchase a print version or ebook version. Soup Formula is a foundational design system that turns soup making from a random, guesswork act into a repeatable, intentional, and nutritionally balanced process. The FMAVGLAG framework is a flexible, step-by-step sequence of fat, optional meat/protein, aromatics, vegetables, optional grains, liquid, optional acid, and optional greens. This method teaches home cooks to think like soup recipe designers. This approach emphasizes nutritional synergy, flavor bioavailability, and structural soundness so anyone can create high-quality, professional-grade soups from whatever ingredients they have on hand, while making sure each bowl is deeply satisfying and truly health-supportive. The Soup Formula is a flexible, 8-category template designed to create nutrient-dense meals by combining ingredients from the 8 food categories. By following a specific sequence, using food from these categories, you can ensure your soup is professionally balanced, flavorful, and architecturally sound. The formula categories. The formula uses the abbreviation FMAVGLAG, where the question marks, by categories M, G, A, G, indicate optional categories. F, fat. M, meat/protein, optional. A, aromatic. V, vegetable. G, grains, optional. L, liquid. A, acid, optional. G, greens. The soup formula's 3 variations are as follows. F plus M, plus A, plus V, plus G, plus L, plus A, plus G, flavor impact, searing/rendering. F plus A plus M, plus V plus G, plus L plus A, plus G, Flavor integration, absorption/simmering. L plus F plus M, plus A, plus V, plus G, plus A, plus G, Liquid first method, no sauté. The 3 variations of the soup formula. The soup formula is defined by its adaptability. While the core components, fat, protein, aromatics, vegetables, grains, liquid, acid, and greens, remain constant, the order in which they are introduced dictates the soup's character, depth, and flavor profile. The following are the 3 variations of the soup formula. Number 1. FMAVGLAG, flavor impact, searing/rendering. Formula F plus M, plus A, plus V, plus G, plus L, plus A, plus G, Methodology. In this variation, protein is added immediately after the fat. This method is utilized when the protein is the primary flavor driver of the dish, such as beef, chicken, or bacon. The result, by searing or rendering the protein early, you create brown bits and concentrated flavors that build a deep, savory foundation. This technique results in a soup with bold, robust, and layered flavor. Number 2. FAMVGLAG flavor integration, absorption/simmering. Formula F plus A plus M question mark plus V plus G question mark plus L plus A question mark plus G question mark. Methodology. Here, aromatics are added before the protein. By allowing spices, onions, garlic, and herbs to develop first, you create an aromatic environment that the protein then absorbs. This is ideal for legumes, tofu, and delicate proteins. The result, because the protein is added into an established aromatic base rather than dominating it, the resulting soup tastes balanced, cohesive, and well integrated. Number 3. L, F, A, M, V, G, A, G, liquid first method, no sauté. Formula L plus F plus M question mark plus A plus V plus G question mark plus A question mark plus G question mark. Methodology. This variation skips the sautéing step entirely, beginning with the liquid. Ingredients are layered gently into the pot rather than being browned in fat. The result, this method is best suited for lighter soups, delicate ingredients, or when a simpler, more hands-off approach is preferred. It produces a soup that is clean, subtle, and softly layered in flavor. The key rule, place protein early, F, M, A, V, G, L, A, G, for flavor impact. Place it later, F, A, M, V, G, L, A, G, for flavor integration. One way to remember the F, M, A, V, G, L, A, G soup formula is to remember the letters F, M, like in F, M, radio, the letters A, V, G, like the abbreviation for the word average, and L, A, G, like the word lag. When you break the F, M, A, V, G, L, A, G soup formula into 3 separate sets of letters: F, M, A, V, G, L, A, G. It makes it easier to remember all the letters in the soup formula. The soup formula book goes into more detail on how to easily remember each set of the 8 letters for the 3 variations of the soup formula. With this soup formula, you're not just following recipes. You're designing soups with purpose. Our best wishes to you on your soup journey. Journey on.